What's good? What's good? What's good, everyone? What up? What up? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Hope you guys had hope you guys all had a great weekend. We're here. We're here, we're back, we're ready to go. I did get into a trade, as you guys can see, from the daily Wixie. It was pretty easy to see that daily Wixie trade setup. OMG, Key, can't believe you did not skip that trade because you were not live. Yeah, I did get into that trade. I did end up alerting it in the Discord. So a few people ended up taking this with me, but that daily Wixie was really nice. Like, I saw a start to bounce there and I got in, kept the stop at the low, and essentially we were just looking for a new high to get created for a proper daily manipulation leg, because we don't have that here. The proper daily manipulation leg, in my opinion, is going to be up here at 257. Okay. So 257.5. I'm going to mark that out. 4-hour Wixie. There you go. Okay, that was pretty much the main reasoning behind the long. And obviously the daily like move lower here towards that Wixie was clearly just a fake out. In my eyes, it was a pretty easy fake out. So that's why I ended up taking that trade. There was another entry here at this 15-minute fair value gap. 15 minutes to 1 minute. We just had the change in state of delivery and then a retest of that. So I don't know if anybody got into that retest trade, but that was also very nice. So both of those are currently playing out right now. Okay, both of them playing out right now. So yeah, let's see what happens. This is on TPT account, obviously. So at 53K, this account passes, you know, which is great. And then we'll move on to another account. And then we'll try again there. You know? Got in on the retest. First real trade ever. Let's get some big likes. Let's go, bro. Everybody like up the stream, bro. Everybody like up the stream. Let's get some likes flowing. And let's do a weekly daily outlook. All right, let's do a daily outlook. Okay. Daily outlook. All right, you guys ready for the daily outlook? I'm going to start off with the weekly. So pretty much, guys, I had given this thing like all the way up until like this week to get a bounce. Last week, we obviously went through into this weekly fair value gap, and I am clearly looking for a move out of this weekly fair value gap, right? Now, the condition for that was that we need to hold previous week's low, right? We have to hold previous week's low. Obviously, we know from this morning that we did not hold previous week's low. We went through it. So automatically to me, like, you know, red flag, right? And now at this point, for now, I'm thinking that this continues lower and we do not go higher anymore. Okay. So that's kind of what I'm thinking so far. We'll see. We got to let this week play out a little bit. Which one of you guys was in the free weekly outlook that I do in the Discord? Which one of you guys was in there last night? Give me a 1 in the chat if you were in the weekly outlook last night. few of you guys were in it, right? By the way, I totally forgot to upload it or to publish it. Just published it. So for those of you guys who were in the weekly outlook last night, one of the first things that I went over was Friday and how the key open lined up with our low resistance liquidity here that we ended up taking out, right? We had low resistance liquidity that we built up all night long. And right as the key open hits, we start melting down, right? That's something that we went over for Friday, right? And I made it pretty clear how you guys are able to easily kind of time and predict that. Nothing different happened today, okay? Nothing different happened today. And I hope some of you guys were able to capitalize on this because it was very, very easy, okay? We had low resistance liquidity once again. We had a key open at 9:30. And at 9:30, we made the move lower, okay? Now, sorry. This is the message that I sent this morning in the Discord. And just want to show you guys as well here. Lots of consolidation, right? Obviously, we were consolidating here. And even more LRLR being made under the PDL / previous week low here. So I'm assuming that 9:30 should be lower. That was at 9:26, right before the 9:30 open. And obviously, what happens at 9:30? We make the move lower, right? But pretty easy to be able to predict something like this when you have the low resistance liquidity there that pairs with the key open, okay? So that's a quick lesson for you guys. But as for the daily outlook, the entire goal here was for this thing to go make a new high on this trade. I just wanted to see a new high of day, so we've hit it. I'm just going to let this trade stop me out in profit if that's what it wants to do. But I would like to see this run all the way to the 4-hour Wixie. That would be the best case scenario. So if we can hit the 4-hour Wixie, cool, amazing. If not, then no. So yeah, I mean, that's where we're at. Are you closing for consistency or is this funded? No, this is not a funded. This is the eval. But I'm gonna let this make 53K because it's gonna be within consistency still. If you make more than 1,500 today, it's fine. What do you mean by key open? Key open meaning like a 9:30 a.m. open. That's a key open. A 4-hour open is a key open. A midnight is a key / true open. Right? Like, so those are key opens, is like the prices where you see like big time volatility injections. Those are key opens. So, yeah, the key open in that case, in that example that I showed you guys, was 9:30. The key open here would be OPEX. Or sorry, not OPEX. Frick, why am I blanking? Globex. Said OPEX. Yeah, so in this case, it would be Globex. Right? So, yeah. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah. Let's see what we do here in this session, guys. Make sure everybody likes up the stream. Also, if you guys don't know, today is the last and final day. This is the last night. Only a few hours left at midnight. The TPT 50% off goes away. 50% off, no activation right now using code KEY, and it's a 3-day pass. So if you guys have never used TPT before, it's the firm that I use the most on here. And it is, without a doubt in my mind, the best firm out right now. By the way, I'm just going to put a Just gonna put a TP right there, boys. Oop, wrong account. Oh, fuck me. On MNQ, brev. Okay. I just closed that out. That was pretty $3.99. But yeah, TPT is always on a sale. It's a marketing tactic. TPT does 40%, not 50%. So right now they're on 50%, which is not something that they do very often. But yeah, last night for that. But yeah, this is 1,500 on this account. So this is past. We'll work on this next one now. If we can get like a nice solid entry, I will look to get in on this next eval as well. So let's see if we can get that nice solid entry. I'm not in the premium. Do you post signals here? I don't post signals here, man. What do you mean post signals here? I'm streaming in front of you. When do you think you'll start trading funded? I just passed my eval. I want to trade with you out of trailing drawdown. Well, that account just got funded, so we'll be trading that one. No, not here in the premium. Yeah, I post signals in the premium. Yeah, that trade that I just took, I posted in the premium. We're on the second eval now, though, so let's see if we can get a trade here on the second eval. Make 1,500 here as well. Again, I want to see the 4-hour Wixie, so like that would be ideal situation. All right, we're going to try this out. We can come back and touch that limit and do 145. If we can go down and touch that, I'll get triggered into another long on this new eval, and we'll look to pass that as well. There. Just bought TPT using your code. Nice. By the way, if you guys don't know, you get automatically entered to win free TPT accounts if you use code key on any of the firms, not just TPT, but any of the firms. But you automatically get entered to win accounts at the end of this month. We're giving away 40 total accounts at the end of this month. So 20 TPTs, and then the other 20 are going to be between Tradeify, Apex, and Lucid. Okay. But 20 full TPTs that I have to give away. So make sure you guys lock in for that. That'll be cool. TPT is what I'm trading here for the next, however long until we get more payouts on these accounts. I am trading them one at a time, so obviously it'll take a little bit longer. But, we'll definitely get some payouts on these accounts. We already have one funded. We have 10 more accounts to get funded now. So, yeah, that's where we're at. And, yeah. Thank God you're not looking for shorts after closing that trade. Nah, not yet. Not yet. There's no reason to short yet, bro. This daily has to like properly manipulate in order for me to short it all. Granted, this trade, we have definitely a bit more risk on the table here. But, it's all good. We're going to make it work. Why entry here for long? my draw on liquidity is pretty strong here. Like, I like the 4-hour Wixie up here as a strong draw on liquidity. If I have a strong draw on liquidity, as long as the risk is proper, I'm not, you know, like, as long as the risk is proper and there is volatility, I'll just take the trade, especially if it's on eval. Because here's the thing, right? These evals we've already had for about a week now, which means I only have 3 weeks left to pass these before they all get rebuild. So I have to, like, kind of just be on it. So because they're evals, I'm just going to be taking a bunch of trades. You know, like, obviously decent trade still, but my entry would have, my second entry would have been in here, right? Inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, 1-minute change in state of delivery. Obviously we missed that. So this is just a continuation setup I'm taking. Again, if the draw on liquidity on the higher time frame is strong, then the entry itself doesn't really matter as much as long as you have the proper risk parameters. We're in the premium you posted. I'm in the premium and I don't see that. Well, then you need to look a little bit harder, brother, because it is in my channel. Why don't you copy trade them? Because I'm doing them one at a time here, mostly for you guys to be able to follow along easily. You know, I'll give you an example. If I took that first trade, copy trading all of these, I would have just passed all of them, and they would all be funded, and the people that are on evals are stuck on evals. So I figure it's better for me to just do them one at a time. Everybody gets a chance to take, like, watch eval trades or whatever. If they want to take them, they can take them. And then when they're funded, they can, like, tail. But basically, this gives you 11 different tries to at least pass one eval, right? So I think it's better for you guys to be able to follow along if I do them one at a time. We launched off that 15-minute OB. Yeah, it did make a nice move on that 15-minute OB. I have my stop loss here at the low because I'm giving it room to come and test this 15-minute Wixie. If it wants to do that, it can come down and test that 15-minute Wixie. Guys, everybody like up the stream, bro. Come on, let's go, guys. Everybody like up the stream. There's so many of you guys that are in here that have not liked the stream up right now. Let's like up the stream. Okay? Everybody like up the stream. We get a certain amount of likes, I will give away accounts, right? Like up the stream. Let's get some good luck flowing. The more you guys like, the more inclined we are to get winners, bro. That's literally how it works. Likes equals good luck. Do you look at VWAP? No. Why are you not waiting for 10 p.m.? Why am I not waiting for 10 p.m.? I mean, the trade's there. I'll take it. It doesn't really matter, bro. As I said earlier, it's a matter at this point of just passing these accounts because we don't want to hold these accounts to rebill, right? So, you know, have a strong draw on liquidity to the upside. I'm just taking them. I used your code today. Let's go, bro. W code key user. How much is premium? It's 580 lifetime. How do you deal with trailing drawdown and fundeds? First two trades, I size up. A+ trades, and I size up. It's really not difficult, bro. It really is not difficult. I have yet... I have yet to actually properly blow an account because of trailing drawdown on TBT. People kind of blow it out of proportion. It's a lot easier than people make it seem to be. And you guys will see because I'm going to trade them here on stream in front of you guys. All the fundeds, I'm going to trade here on stream. Same thing we did last month. We're going to do the same thing this month, okay? So it's not difficult. I promise you it's not difficult. Do you ever do deals on premium? Rarely. Very, very rarely. I did the first one I think a month ago or so, like something like that. That was after almost a year that I did that. Any tips on how to manage the intraday trailing drawdown on TBT once funded? I just told you guys. Size heavy first few trades that you take, A+ setups, and you don't want to risk more on the drawdown than what you initially were risking when you were going to take the trade, right? What happens if you pass 12 evals and the limit is 5 pros? What happens with the other 7? They just stay in reserve. You can only trade five active fundeds at a time. So the other ones stay in reserve, right? You can activate 5 fundeds, or 5 pro accounts. You can activate 5 pro accounts and go to pro on them. But the other 5, or the other however many, you cannot go to pro if you have 5 active already. So they just stay there in reserve. It's cool to have that because, like I said, with TPT, I size aggressively on the first 2 trades, right? So if we lose the first 2 trades, and let's say you blow the account, okay, or you get really close to drawdown or whatever, then you have one of those accounts from reserve come in and take its place, right? So yeah. Help us explaining it again. So let's say you were going to take a trade and you were going to risk $500 of your drawdown, right? So that means if that trade stopped out, you would have $1,500 of drawdown left, right? From 2K to $1,500 of drawdown left. You don't want to drop below $1,500 of drawdown. So that's your initial risk. Even if you're in profit, if you're all the way in profit and the trade comes down, and your trailing drawdown drops to 1,500, you close the trade out no matter where it's at. That's what I'm saying. You can trade 10. Yeah, you can copy trade 10 together, yes. Kyoki, I'm from India. How to use BPRs? The same way you use fair value gaps, bro. They just hold a little bit more weight because you got to think of it as it's 2 pity rays instead of 1, right? A BPR is an inverse gap and a fresh gap. So it's 2 pity rays instead of 1. It gives you a little more conviction, added confluence, if you will. Like, for example, last night, this BPR was the high, right? At 10:45, that BPR was the high. I pointed this out in the weekly outlook. It ended up being the high, and that was it. It went low from there. So it just gives you added conviction. That's all. I did not say that for the evals GTA 5. I said that for the fundeds. I said that for all of them. What's the point of passing 10 evals when you can only have 500 at a time, or am I wrong? I keep thinking about when you said white people. I know, bro. Bro, I just got done saying that they're in reserve. So that means if you blow one of the active ones, instead of waiting 3 days to pass another account, you already have accounts in reserve, right? So you just bring those in to one of the active ones. You replace one of the active ones. Because like I said, on TPT, the first 2 trades, I size heavy. If those first 2 trades are losses, chances are I'm pretty, either it's very close to being blown or it's blown. Okay? So, yeah. Do you trade ICT model? It is basically ICT, yes. I have my own model, but it's ICT concepts. Are you concerned about the BPR on the 15 minutes? Well, it's already been hit, right? We already hit, and we already made a new low off of it. So, no, I'm not too concerned about it yet. You're the best trader I've seen yet, and you explain your strategy. Is there somewhere I can go and learn it? Yeah, bro. Well, first of all, I appreciate it. I have like 3 or 4 videos that I made on it on my YouTube. So I have my 7-figure entry model revealed. I have that. I have a prop firm hack model. And then I think one more video I made on it. I think. Yeah. But they're on my YouTube. They're here for free. LR on the 1 minute. Yeah, it would. It would. The gold video. The gold video talks about rejection blocks though, Scott. That's a different model. That's not flow model. I'm assuming whenever people ask me about my model, I assume they talk about flow model because that's the one I use the most here. 9 put a fire entry and alerts today, bro. 9 always does that, man. Is the Raptor good? It will be. It's all right, bro. It's all good. Did you make that $30? Damn it. Yes or no? Yeah, the account is passed, bro. The account is passed. So yeah, W. One of the best traders I know, and we usually have the same buys. Today I've been cashing on shorts. NQ hasn't retested like that all month. It's continuing down, bro. Yeah, I agree. I think it's probably going to go lower. But just for today, I think up here, like in this area, in the 4-hour Wixie, and then a rejection from there. That's what I would like to see. Why shouldn't Booby call me? Yo, I'm on stream. What's up, bro? What did you hear? No, it's fine. It's all good. Talked about it. You're good. No. No. It's all good. Nothing happened to me, bro. Nah, we figured it out. It's all good. We figured it out. He is. Make your appointment with PZ. I want to see the kit put on. When? What do you mean you ordered a dog, bro? What the fuck are you talking about? Bro, you should have went and like adopted one, bro. No, you can adopt. No, bro. No, you idiot. You can adopt a brand new one with 0 miles, bro. You don't have to order the dog, bro. Tell him what's the spec of the dog. Oh, that's a cute dog, bro. Yeah, W. Oh yeah, that's fire. Yeah. All right, bet. Yeah, make sure somebody in my chat said make sure you get the warranty on it. Yeah, because if you adopt one, you gotta it usually comes with like a certified pre-owned warranty for like 12 months, 12,000 miles. It should be.
I got this. It's gonna look so fire in like the front seat of your F80. It's gonna be W look. You know how much the dog was, bro?
What? How much?
Dude, you're gonna hate me. I go $5,300.
$5,300, bro? How many miles?
0 miles.
0 miles?
Dude, straight from the factory.
Did you run the dog facts?
I read the dog facts, bro.
Clean dog facts? So you're the first owner?
Clean title. Yeah, first owner, 0 miles, bro. That's my girl was like that. Unfortunately not.
Damn.
Yeah, so new dog. We're gonna have a new dog.
W, bro. So your dog is, it's a triple individual?
Dude, it's a triple individual.
Shit. Yo, Will, he said it's CQM. What's the interior?
Shut up! Shut up! Dude, it's got interior and it's got individual. Shut up!
Yeah, CQM on Opal with individual trim, but it actually has one more thing. It actually has CCBs as well.
Oh, shit.
All right, bro. All right, I'll hit you up after stream, bro. Yeah, this shit mileage. Yo, he definitely got a mileage block dog, bro. Cooked. He doesn't know how to spot the mileage blocker in the dog. What if it's a lemon? I think they got a lemon law, bro, for dogs. So he should be all right. Thoughts on the 1 hour Wixie? The 1 hour Wixie right here. I mean, bro, it's not, I guess, like, yeah, no, it's not bad. It's decent. Overall, I would still like to see a little bit higher, but it's possible that this could be the one to work as well. It just kind of makes it difficult because, oh, lower one. Oh, yeah, down here. Yeah, down here it could work too. But as I was going to say, this range, it's very tight. And there's not a lot of higher time frame PD arrays. There's no hourly gaps. There's no 4 hour gaps. None of that. I mean, hell, dude, it's hard to come across a 15-minute gap in this range. So, it's not going to be easy to trade this. You know, it's going to be a little bit difficult just because of the pure fact that the range is like very, very tight knit. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I mean, right now we have this 15-minute Wixie here. That looks the best to me because we have the 15-minute fair value gap there. So that, you know, I like. So yeah, we'll see. When was the last time Asia retested NY? Not at all this month. It's not happening today either. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to, bro. It doesn't have to. It's okay. I mean, bro, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal if I take a loss here. It's not the end of the world. I'll just look for another trade. Like if I stop out here, I'll just look for a different trade. Not that big of a deal. Let's see though. Let's see. Because maybe we can snag a short here. I just don't like how we flipped the 4 hour green to red. Green to red flip. Like I never like the flip there. It's never a good thing. I just want to see how it reacts to the Wixie. If it reacts to the Wixie like pretty good, then it's fine. I'll hold it. If not, then I'll just get out of it. Oh, let me just get rid of that for a sec. I didn't quite hit the Wixie yet. We have SMT here as well. So let's see. Let's see. You can have that many TPT accounts? Yes. And today's the last night for TPT accounts. I'll say it again. You guys have less than 2 hours for the 50% off, no activation, and 3-day pass accounts. Less than 2 hours left. So make sure you guys lock in with code key, get some TPT accounts because we're going to be trading these for the next few weeks, few months, however long it's going to take to get some payouts on this. Last month we had the same. We only had a 5-stack last month, and we took 20K from them. This month we're gonna have again, obviously a 5-stack, but we're gonna have another 5 in reserve, so I can go like a lot heavier on the active 5-stack, because we have the reserve stack as well. So plan is to get double the payout, really. Spam some crypto things, all in group, lost money too. Can you unban me? What's your Discord name? feel like we resweep this 15-minute, then pump. Nah, I think if we go below this 15-minute, it's not going to pump. That's what I think. Jake Hunter? No, bro, I need, like, your actual Discord name, man. That's not going to help. Like, your full Discord name. You only execute trades on TradingView? No. No. If I need, like, a better entry, I will execute it on Tradeovate instead of on TradingView. Actually, dude, I don't like doing the executions on TradingView because it's very, very laggy sometimes. Will next month be $85 reset? I have no idea, bro. I don't work for I don't like work at TPT, so I have no idea, man. I just know that if right now the resets are more than just buying a new account, so it would be a smarter idea to just buy a new account instead of resetting, you know? There's the 15-minute Wixie. Little bit of a bounce. Let's see. If we can get a nice baby bounce here. We have a 5-minute fair value gap up here. Bearish 5-minute fair value gap. If we can get to that and it starts rejecting, I'll just reverse the position short. If we get through it, cool. Obviously, I'll continue holding it. If we don't get there at all, then obviously we just go straight for the stop. So TradingView is very slow for orders. Yes. People will pay so much money if TradingView allowed for faster candlestick update time. I know, dude. I know. If TradingView updated in real time, like how Tradeovate or Project X or any of those do, it would be like well worth it to get like a max, you know, subscription with them. But yeah, I agree, bro. I hate how it doesn't update in real time. It's just terrible. Jake Hunter 8499. Okay, give me a sec, bro. All right, you're on ban, Jake. Enjoy. Don't get hacked again. Anyone know how a trader... do anyone know a trader who offers free singles and pocket option? What the hell is that? What happens when you reverse a position? It just closes out like your position here and it enters you in a short instead, basically. The other way. How much capital does that take? Same amount of contracts you're in. TPT so send you their passes 1502, 1501, and then a -2 at the end, letting me pass. You probably just have to make another like $1 or $2, bro. Is a risk fixed throughout the challenge phase and funded? Yeah. How much time on average are you planning to get them to pay out? What do you mean? 5-minute gap. Let's hit the 5-minute gap and see what happens there. That's what I want to see. If we start like getting a bearish reaction, I will reverse the position. There it is. See. What's your plan? What is your plan? Bearish? Okay. Try it out the short. Just reverse the position. And I want to have tighter risk on this one, so I'm going to keep it there. I'm going to keep the stop loss at that 5-minute high we just put in. Same size contracts and everything. Nothing changes there. But a lot tighter risk on this one. 10 points. 10 points of risk. Do we have anything on the 15? Ooh, we could leave a 15-minute fair value gap here as well. 15-minute fair value gap could get left too. If this one doesn't work, I'll just wait for a 15-minute gap and then leave it. I took the Wixie. I'm sorry, bro. I gotta try to pray on your downfall. It's fine, bro. It's not a big deal. I mean, it's again, like I said, bro, it's an eval and it needs to be passed in the next like 2-ish weeks before it gets a rebuild. So like, we already have one passed. That's fine. Okay, stopped. So I mean, at this point, like, I'm just gonna try out a bunch of trades on this. Like, even B tier trades are fine for me because I need to just like start passing these. Is this degen stream? Nah, degen stream is gonna be like on a funded, bro. Like full on funded. 0 or hero. That's what we're doing for the degen stream, gang. The thing is, this 5-minute gap here doesn't really mean that much to me because we didn't sweep the low. We just hit the 15-minute Wixie. All right, I'm going to try one more trade on this. Probably another long. Probably another long I'll try. Oh, never mind. Just shit the bed. Yeah, let's just wait, guys. I think it's a better idea to just wait a little bit. How many contracts are you allowed to trade at once on a 50K? 6 minis. Bro, I should just, actually, nah, whatever. We'll just stay with micros. I was gonna say, I should just switch to, NQ and just do a mini here instead, but... Switch to NQ. Nah, I'm just going to keep it on MNQ because I'm just going to do 8 micros. I think the Globex move we caught on the first eval. Now it's just kind of consolidating. I think it's going to make another move higher, but it's right now it's just consolidating. But this was the move from the daily Wixie. That was like the best move here. It was a little over 100 points. It was the best looking trade. Why 8? I don't know. I like the number. Go play, go play. $15-minute CSD off daily CE. Daily CE and 15-minute CSD do not align. But I do like the 4-hour Wixie up top for the daily manipulation. Was long on gold, up $1,000 on TPT eval. Let's go, bro. Wait, you can trade gold on TPT evals? Or on TPT? I don't even know, bro. For TPT accounts, can you buy all 5 accounts in one purchase, or do you want to say you need to do one at a time? But the good thing is that it takes literally like a few seconds to buy one account, so it's not like an extended process. Love the streams. Good luck tonight. Thanks, bro. Starting to get a little bit of a move out now, coming out of this inverse gap, which is pretty cool. Do you already happen to run the giveaway for TPT code key? No, at the end of the month. It's at the end of every month. There we go. Nice move. Very nice. Very nice. Hold on, I want to skip this song. It's only trailing on TPT funded right before the buffer? Yeah. Yes. Ain't no way this flips. Yeah, it's not, bro. I mean, it's not really doing anything inside of this range, is it? What was your bullish bias based off of? The daily manipulation anticipation inside of this 4-hour Wixie, because that's really the only like decent place for the daily to manipulate. And I was expecting this 15-minute to be the low for us to push higher, like towards the 4-hour Wixie here as well for the 4-hour candle too. But I mean, it's not really doing too much right now. Just a bunch of consolidation. Change. It's rejecting the daily open over and over again. I know. I know. Straight chop schlop. Any trade at the moment? I mean, look at this range, bro. What do you think? You don't have anything here, bro. You got a whole lot of nothing. New day trading. What are we currently trading and when should I buy? We're trading the NASDAQ right now. When should you buy? I mean, not anytime soon. Anything exciting happening? No, bro. Look at this. Look at this, though. Buy when it goes down, sell when it goes up. Facts. Yeah, honestly, I don't know how people lose money day trading because all you got to do is buy low and sell high, you know? That's it. It's very simple. Just bought 60 BTs, code key. If I blow a funded account, can I reset back to an eval? If you blow a funded account, you can reset it back to a funded. You can't reset it back to an eval. You would just buy a new eval. Hour and a half left, guys. 1.5 hours left. Hour and a half left until the TPT sale 50% off 3-day pass is over. Oh, look at this fucking candle, bro. My God. Look at these candles, bro. These are insanity. Legit insanity. It is holding the 5-minute gap. Trading is not simple. One of the most hardest things to do as a career. No, bro, it's very easy, dude. It's extremely easy, bro. You literally buy low, sell high. Like, what do you mean? Like, if you see the market go up, just sell. And if you see the market go low, then just buy, bro. Like, what you mean, Dad? What you mean? Middle of an insane day and I need to fund it immediately. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's the only time I would do it as well. Great entry on the first move. Great stuff, man. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. Buy high, sell slow. Facts. Just buy high, sell slow, bro. Just bought 2 using your code key. Nice. Yeah, guys, again, if you use it, you get automatically entered to win the giveaway at the end of the month. Yo, Craig, normally you come in here and you say nice things, but I'm not going to lie. The joke is flying your head and you look flying over your head and you don't look very smart in this chat right now. So I think he's talking about how prop firms charge a little lower to reset the evals. Yeah, normally they do, but if they're running promos, it's actually cheaper to just buy a new one than to reset it. But yeah, normally a reset is cheaper though, you know? Nah, bro, you're cooked for that one? Yeah, bro, you got it. I'm the one that's cooked for that one. I guess so, bro. He was hitting me with this. Wait, I gotta find it. Hold on. Where is it? Let me find it. Hold up. Damn it, I can't find the emoji, bro. Where the emoji at? Ugh, can't find the emoji. Never mind. Through the high. Man, the original trade would have been fine. Would have been Bing chilling right now. 4-hour Wixie is what I would be looking for here right now. Yo, Craig, you should probably stop typing, bro, while you're ahead. Like, you're just kind of making yourself look dumber and dumber. TBH. Yeah, original idea was good. I stayed in it. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Hell yeah. Thank you, Yazi. That guy was just way too fucking cooked tonight, bro. I'm still in this too. Nice, nice, nice. I'm still in it too. Nice. Let's go. And rejection. I mean, what's it gonna be, bro? What is it gonna be? This, you know what this looks like right now to me, though? That's what this looks like to me. It's not a good range to trade, though. I'll say that much. Definitely not a good range to be trading. Looks like we're reacting off the BPR. Yeah, we have a 15-minute Wixie here that it's reacting off of. You don't want to give much weight to the BPR, right? Like, the BPR to me doesn't matter because we already used it. So if we go here, you can see we already used it and we already made new lows off of it. So I'm not like relying on the BPR here. The PD array that matters is going to be the Wixie, this right here. This will matter. The BPR, it won't matter. Let's see what it wants to do. Like, does it want to drop? Does it want to pop? What's the plan? That Wixie to the gutter. Could say that 10 p.m. manipulated into the 15-minute RB. Yeah, but we have two 15-minute RBs, right? We have this bearish one here, and then we have a bullish one here. So, like, there's no way to really get an idea of which one is going to be the proper manipulation leg. We just have to see, like, which one gets a reaction, which one gets a buy or a sell model. Bullish chotch. Yeah, I mean, this bullish 15-minute Wixie here could for sure have been the 10 p.m. manipulation leg. That was my initial idea. But now that we have hit this bearish one, now I want to see, does it hold or do we go through it? The way we are going to invalidate it is we just need to go through this high. If we go through that high, it invalidates the BPR. So, just needs to do that first. Coach Fred, payout secured tomorrow at Apex. Let's go, bro. Let's go, Coach Fred. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, Coach Fred. Congrats to Coach Fred, man. I don't know why I keep thinking of Windex when I hear Wixie. Windex. Windex of all things? Lock in, bro. Why are we talking about Windex right now? If 173 hits, I'm staying at the Borgata on Saturday. If not, I'm staying at Best Western. Yo. Oh my god. Where's Fraser, bro? This chat is nothing without him. I know, bro. My boy Phaser, man. I miss Phaser. I miss Phaser, dude. Have a stubborn stain, use Wixie. Let's see. Maybe we could get a short here. Where to get premium and where not to get premium, but I forget where. Desktop, right? Yeah, use a desktop. Don't use like Apple, because Apple will charge you extra. Okay, inversed. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it out. Same size, 8 micros. Like, I'm just gonna keep 8 micros, I think, across all trades, like standard 8 micros. Why is it like different? There we go. Yeah, standard 8 micros across all trades. I'm just taking this trade, assuming now we have the inverse and we have a change in state coming from this 15-minute rejection block. So I'm trying it out based off of that here. Obviously, this range is very, very choppy, but this looks decent, so gonna give it a shot. But yeah, we basically have 2 of the same exact PDRA. We have a 15-minute Wixie at the high, 15-minute Wixie at the low. Obviously, the 10 p.m. went and put in the low, and now it went up here and it put in the high. You can't really predict which one it's going to be when you have 2 of the exact same setup at the highs and the lows. So it's kind of just, it's really anybody's guess. This one doesn't look that bad, so I'm giving it a shot. So let's see. Let's see what it does. Ooh, also, yo, actually, you guys low-key already know how to do this. The bracket orders on Tradeovate, bro. That shit's sick. I just figured that out. Literally just figured it out today. 250 looks like a good target. I'm long from 8:25 p.m. Yeah, okay, 257.5. That's what I was looking for. 4-hour Wixie up at the top, and it could still do it. It could absolutely still do it. It's just this range is very, very like weird and choppy, so we'll see. How? Yeah, bro, Tradeovate, guys, you didn't know that? Tradeovate has had bracket orders. Look, TP SL. You just click the drop down and you add the TP and the SL. It's pretty fire. You just can't do it when you're copy trading. You cannot do it when you're copy trading, but you can do it if it's one account at a time. One account at a time, you're good. Copy trading, you're not good. It's new though, right? I think so, because it never said the TP/SL there before. So I think it's new. Pretty sure. Yeah, it wasn't there last week. You're right. I know. It just showed up this week. But I mean, I think it was just it was in a different, like, it didn't say. Yeah, they made it look more obvious. Yes, exactly. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now we're short. Now we're short, bro. Now we're short. Yeah, if you guys aren't on eval, I wouldn't be like tailing these. Or if you're like trying to be risk averse, I wouldn't tail it either, because obviously, again, like I said, it's honestly anybody's guess what happens in this range. We have identical setups, top and bottom. Identical setups. So Am I the only person that hates using Trade directly? Nah, bro. I love using Trade. I love using Trade. It's so nice. The fills are perfect on Trade. What are you targeting? The 4-hour low and then the low of this 15-minute Wixie, like down here. That's what I would like to see first. Go from there. Let's not get too excited about TPs before the trade is even green, right? Got to meet Key at a car show. Super cool and chill guy. Thanks, bro. Yeah, you were, I don't know which one you were. I had a few people come up, but yeah. That's cool, man. I love meeting you guys, bro. If you guys see me anywhere, post it up, bro. Pull up and say what's up. What about Top Step? Well, yeah, like Top Step X, that platform, yeah. Hot take, I love the Trade app. What can you do on the Trade app, though? Like, you can't use... there's no charts on the Trade app. So that's why it's kind of annoying. Still waiting for you to hit New York. Bro, soon. I'm coming. I'm coming, Foxcoat. I'm pulling up soon, bro. I'm actually... it won't be this week. This trade might stop out, I think, because that's a pretty bullish leg. All right, I'm going to close it there. Give myself a fighting chance. Okay, no more. I'm just not going to try any more shorts at this point because it's literally just not worth it. Clearly, like, this thing wants to continue higher towards not only that high, but this high too, and then 4-hour Wixie. So, I mean... yeah, let's see. Dude, these executions are so ugly, bro. Get the hell out of my face. Like, frick, dude. Get out of here. Eval executions are genuinely the worst. Yeah, right back down, bro. GG's, man. I mean... yo, it's at my break even. I think this eval is destined to fail, bro, at this point. It's literally at my break even. I could really lock in and pull one of those New York session trades from the other day and just lock in 2 minis right here and pass this bitch immediately, but I'm just gonna... I'll showcase those skills another day. Do it. Bro, that eval, by the way, we brought back from $300 of drawdown. It had $300 of drawdown left. We brought it all the way back to being passed. All right, you guys ready? All right, hold up. Okay, I'm gonna really lock in. I'm slapping like... wait. We have to do minis, right? We have to do minis. We have to do minis. Right? Can't do M and Q if we're putting on size like that. All right. It's time to lock in. Hey, TPing that. TPing that. 40 bucks. 40 bucks. That's free gas. That's gas. That's a gas tank. My mom needs $200. Can you make it for me real quick? I got you right now. I literally got you right now. Okay, you ready? 200 bucks? Let me spawn in 200 bucks. How much do I need here? Okay. All right, you ready? You ready, Nick? Imagine we make the whole drawdown back doing this. Hold up, we gotta wait. Not yet. Gotta relax. When it's for moms, you just can't lose. I'm waiting here right now because we're inside of this 1 minute bearish gap, and then there's another one right above. Your SMT indicator geeking right now? I know there's SMT everywhere, bro. Highs and lows. Oh, fuck. I accidentally misclicked 4 minis, bro. This could be detrimental. I accidentally misclicked 4 minis. I gotta just hold it now. Oh, yes. Flip. Did we break the low? We did. We did break the low. I can't do anything, bro. I gotta just hold the 4 minis. That was an accident, but like, fuck. $400 spawned in. Anything else? Any other request? Any other request? Nick? Anything else you need? You want another 400? My dog needs 50? Okay, bet. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. Your dog needs 50? All right, bet. Say no more. Say no more. I got your dog right now. I got your dog right now. Tell your dog I said what's up. Tell your dog I said what's up. Tell your dog he's welcome. Anything, anybody else need anything? Anybody else need anything? Let me know. What else you guys need? Make the 400 for my car payment. Let me hold it real quick. All right, bet. All right, bet. 400 coming in right now. 400 coming in for Nick's car payment. I got you right now. Get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. Bro, just a little bit. Just a fucking little bit, man. It was right there. I don't like this as much anymore. Yo, Nick, I'm gonna need the 50 bucks back from your dog, bro. And tell moms I need that 200 back as well. Yo, hello, 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 hello. Don't log me out. Chill. Slap another micro on that. This is minis. Yo, this is minis, bro. Ain't no micros here. I guess my car's getting your car might be getting repoed. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Just wait. Bear with us. But your car may or may not be getting repoed. NGL, your car might be fine. Your car actually might be okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. We are all in. Oh, we are all in. You fucker. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Some madness and badness is happening right now, bro. Whole lot of madness and badness. Risking it for the business. I'm really risking it for Nick's car payment, bro. Nick, don't worry, bro. We are not letting your car get repoed. We are not letting your car get repoed, bro. And that's on your soul. On your soul, we're not letting your car get repoed, bro, okay? Just relax. Okay, NGL, I'm scared. I'm scared I got out. I'm scared I got out. I'm a fucking idiot. Fuck. Fuck. Bro. Fuck, bro. That was it, bro. Fuck. Oh, oh my God. I had 6 minis on that. Don't worry, we're getting it back in blood. 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 I'm in. This shit gotta go down, right? This is the next low. Okay. Okay. I have visual on the next low. I need 1400 for the MacBook? Alright, bet. Bro, it flips green for like just a little bit of a... It just like a second. A sliver of a second. I'm holding my short to sweep NY lows, I hope. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good to do that. I would hold the short as well. I would hold it as well. Okay. Okay, we're back. We're back to 6 minis. We're back in. This needs to work. Otherwise, it's chopped cheese for us. On Nick's soul, this is working, bro. On Nick's soul, this is working. Why are we shorting again? Read this right here. Need 95K for a business startup. That I might not have you on. I might not have you there, bro. Come on, like dump, man. Just dump. Just do it. Would 25 point be good enough stop loss? I hope you guys are not taking these trades with me, bro. Like, I really hope that you guys are not doing this. RIP to this account. Yo, chill. Not yet. Relax. We might be okay. Need 200 for a new car seat, having another baby soon. First of all, congrats. Second of all, I got you right now. This has to go lower. Like, we're gonna get a leg lower here. I just don't know if this account's gonna get blown before it does that. Yeah, it's gone. Oh my god, it's gone. Yeah, Nick, bro, your car's gone, brother. Your car's gone, bro. It's over for your car. It's fully over for your car's finished, bro. It's finished. Yo, get a donkey, bro. Get a donkey. Because you're not getting a car. Oh, man. You're not getting a car, bro. Get Mar. We got CISD long. Bro, we don't have any pity arrays inside of this range. I don't like long. I don't like long. I'll put it that way. I do not like a long. Yo, should I do... Okay, I'll leave this up to you guys, okay? Hold on. I'll leave this up to you guys. I'm gonna do a poll. Okay, vote. Everybody vote on the poll. Everybody vote in the poll. Hurry up, guys. There's a trade I see. Hurry up. Everybody vote. Yo, you guys are crazy gamblers, bro. Is this why, like... Is this why people enjoy, like, watching gambling streams? Is this why gambler streamers get paid, like, hundreds of millions of dollars? Because of you guys, bro? Y'all are the reason Trainwrecks has a $200 million deal, bro, or some crazy shit. This is literally a regular day for me. Okay. All right, bro. I need to make this like I need to make this pop out a bit more because okay, there. Red. Red should be good. Okay, we'll do one more. We'll do one more eval. This is the last one I'm going to do here. I'm not doing another one. Okay, here we go. We got to get it back in blood. Got to get it back in blood. Yo, who unmuted Craig, bro? This guy's a fucking moron. Who unmuted him? Can we just here? I'm just gonna I'm gonna permanently get you out of here, Craig, because you fully lost your goddamn mind tonight. All right, here we go. I'm only doing one for now. Let's start off a little slow, okay? Let's scope out what's going on and then go from there. We're scoping it out. We're just scoping it out right now. We're gonna scope it out first. Jeej. I printed bigly on that bounce. Let's go. I grabbed 2 minis on this long for the quick pop. Thanks for the motivation. Bro. No. No, don't thank me, man. Will, I'm gonna kill you, bro. That's what's gonna happen next. Like, I'm literally just gonna murder you. All right. We're gonna 20 bucks. Okay, 20 bucks. 20 bucks. That's Chipotle. That's Chipotle right there. Not enough for Chipotle? That is definitely enough for Chipotle, bro. That's definitely enough for Chipotle. Thank you, Key. Almost at max. Yo, Matt, your jokes. Why do I feel like you're being for real, Matt? No guac? Yeah, no guac. No guac and no double chicken. Okay, now we're stepping it up to 2 minis. We're stepping it up to 2 minis now. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're setting stop losses now, too. Doing things a little differently around this time. Wait, I could do the bracket order, bro. Ooh, I could do the bracket order. Hold up. How many ticks is, let's go for 5 points, okay? So 5 points, 20 ticks. Save. Is this gonna work? Ooh! That's sick. It works. Yo, W. Wait, we need to do TP only. TP only. Okay. Hold on. I need to redo that because we got to do TP only. No stop losses. No stop losses. Oh, wait. Why is my camera? Oh, there we go. Hold on. We got to turn the executions on for this. We got to really, like, lock in, turn the executions on and everything. Dude, but there's no direction. Like, it's just going up and down. What are you even supposed to do here? Ooh, that was a nice candle. I think each TP is 200 bucks. If I'm doing the math correctly here, each TP is 200 bucks. If I do 2 minis. Yeah, 200 bucks. Okay, nice. Keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing P. We're stepping it up to 3 minis. We're stepping it up. I need the 1 minute gap, though. Give me the 1 minute gap. You should do a full stream of all degen to prove to people it doesn't work. Well, here's the thing, right? The last time I did a degen stream, I had an 85% win rate and we made 6 grand. So right now, we don't have proof that it doesn't work besides one blown eval. Oh, okay. We're in. And they say degenning doesn't work. Holy fuck. That was crazy. That was the fastest TP I've ever hit in my life. What the fuck? Oh my god. Wait. Low-key, I can't run a TP, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't even run a TP. Never mind. We're removing the bracket order because I would have just made a lot more right there. Did we take the high? Yo, did we take this or is this equal? Wait, this is an equal high. That's an equal high, right? We didn't take that on MNQ, did we? That's an equal. Okay, might have to lock in on another long right here. Because that's low-key an equal high. But I'm only doing one mini. Yeah, it looks like it is an equal high on NQ. I don't know if it's a equal high on MNQ, though. Somebody confirmed that this is an equal high on MNQ as well. Not on MNQ? Oh. It did not take the high on MNQ. Oh, shit. So it is equal. All right. Put another mini on it then. Fuck it, we ball. ES equal high 2? Okay, so this is like bound to go up then, right? I know sell limit's still 1. I'm about to add 1 more mini. Shit, I might add 2 more minis. 1 minute gap. Maybe if we hit 1 minute gap. Oh, there it is. Wait, hold up, hold up. Okay. And maybe 1 more. Well, let's leave it to 3 for now. How many TBT accounts do you think it'd be good to start out with? 5. The thing is that I bought more only because they're 50% off and no activation. So this one that's blown, I'm just going to buy another one. It's 50% off and 3-day pass. So it's like it makes sense to have more or buy more when they have a big promo running versus wait for a lower promo. Like if it goes back to 40% off, you know, you're going to be paying $20 more per account. So right now, if they're 50% off and you buy 5, you basically get the 5th one for free. Three-day pass and consistency is 50%. Yes. 3-day pass, 50% consistency, 50% off, and no activation. And if you use code KEY, you get entered to win a giveaway at the end of the month anyways. Is activation coming back after promo? I have no idea what's going to happen after the promo. I have no idea what they're going to run. No, bro, you get 2.5 of them for free? Oh, never mind. You get 2.5 of... So basically half of the stack is free if you get 5 accounts. Yeah, can't beat that, to be honest. Like, genuinely cannot beat that. All right, can this trade, like, get a move on here? I'm trying to degen, man. I added one more so I can get an execution on this candle too. Bro, I know my TP is 1 con. It's fine. That's what I want. We're partialing. We're partialing the degen trade. I think once we take Asia high, it might reject again because this is low resistance liquidity here. So that's us gearing up for another degen trade right there. All right, we're full ported. We're full ported. We need full port move all the way to the Asia high and then another full port move down. And this account's passed. Okay. Push, 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 push. No. Lame ass shit, bro. Yeah, this is all low resistance liquidity. I think it comes back down. I just wanted to take the high first. That equal high I wanted to take first. Yo, boys. Nah. No yo, boys this time, bro. No yo, boys. I'm not yo, boying. I just partialed a lot. I partialed a lot. I only have 2 minis left. Get the damn high, bro. Like, take it. It's right there. What the fuck is your move? Like, what are you gonna do? Just stall a 1 tick from the high? I know I took the equal high, but I need Asia high too now. It's 1 tick away. 1 singular tick. So in theory, it needs to take that. On paper. You bitch. You bitch. You absolute bitch. We now have more equal highs to take. We do. We have more. Yeah, we literally have more equal highs here to take. I hate that you got consistency being degen. Bro. Ain't no way, brother. Ain't no way. All right, I'm going to close it. We're almost at consistency, though. We're almost at consistency. Oh my god, it's 11:18. All right, yo. All right, I'm hopping off. That was the first time that I've done a degen stream on here, or just degened in eval. I think that was kind of fun. No? Probably will never do it again. Damn it, it's gonna go hit TP, I think. Probably will never do it again. But yeah, that wasn't bad. My dopamine is flying. I can't sleep now. Oh man. Yep, there it is. Oh no, it edged it again. That was fun though. Maybe we'll do that from time to time, but like very, very rarely, because I feel like people are gonna come in here, like new people are gonna come in and be like, yo, what the hell is going on here, bro? This guy is absolutely tweaked out of his goddamn mind. So I'm definitely not doing that all the time. I'll do it on an eval here and there, but that's it. Yep, there it is. There's the full TP. Yeah, you guys got 40 minutes left to get your TPT accounts. Someone said you're paper trading? Brother. Paper trading where? Paper trading where? I see, you guys, do you not see the executions on the fucking thing right there? They're moving. Anyways, what's the best TPT accounts? The 50Ks is what I use. Also, how do you get 5 accounts together? You can't. You have to buy one at a time. One at a time. All right, guys. TPT, it's a monthly if you don't pass the eval in under a month. That's it. We're looking at $850 a month for TPT after the first month. Yeah, after the first month, if you don't pass the eval, you're gonna pass the eval before a month, right? Like, who holds an eval for longer than a month? Not many people. So, yeah. That's all I got for you guys. We trade them here on stream. So if you guys want to get them, you guys will be able to trade them alongside all of us, which is always cool. And yeah, that's it. Peace out, everybody. Good night. I will see you guys. I think I'm going to trade New York tomorrow morning. I haven't been, but this morning's New York wasn't too bad. So I think I'm going to trade New York tomorrow morning. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning over here on YouTube. Peace.